Hello, this is Handy Andy, and I'm going to punch down Cat 6 Ethernet cable. This is Cat 6 connector, and we are gonna punch it down. We can remove this string. Separate the wires like that. I got this little tool, and it's so much easier to work when you have the right tools, because it saves time and stuff like that. So what it does, you can put it inside the wires like that, and you can easily untwist them. Very easy. It saves time. It saves time and your fingers too. Just save it. Cat 6 insulation is a little bit thicker and tougher than Cat 5, I think. So you have to press it harder. But still it does the job really well. And you want to keep these wires as straight as possible. This is Cat 6 plug, and we want to separate the cables. Blue and white, and then brown and white and brown. We can put on one side, and the rest of the cables will go on the other side. I think it's easier to punch down Cat 6 than Cat 5, but once you know how to do one, you can do the rest. I'm gonna use this tool. You have to watch this tip. You have to put it into the right position because it will slice the excess wire. Once the wire is inside, you easily push it down. Sometimes you have to punch it down 2 or 3 times and the wire will easily falls off. Same thing we're gonna do on the other side. Green and white, green, brown, and brown and white. You want to take your time, don't rush, especially if you're doing it the first time. Once the wire is punched down, go ahead and get this cover. And put it in place. And here you go. Makes a very clean, neat, nice connection. Make sure you use Cat 6 cable with Cat 6 connector. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Highly recommend. I think you can make it yourself. One side probably for Cat 6 and the other side is for Cat 5. Something like that. Catch you on the next one.